I built a brand that made $95 million in 5 years in e-commerce, and you can too. But you need to know these 3 things before you start any e-commerce brand. The first one is you need to have a product that satisfies a demand. See, people are always saying winning products, winning product, winning products. You do not need winning products. You need products that people would gladly spend their money on. If people are not interested in buying, or if you don't know how to market the products the right way, you're not going to make any money. And trust me, you would only end up giving Mark Zuckerberg all of your money by spending money on ads, by spending money on TikTok. You wouldn't get any result. But for you to get results, you need to find something that people are already spending money on and find a way to sell it in a different way to them. An example of a useful tool that you can use to do this will be to go on Amazon and search for Amazon movers and shakers. In this section, you will find products that have done at least 10,000 sales in the last 24 hours. That means if it does 10,000 sales in the last 24 hours, the product is selling at least 3 million units in 30 days. Now, you don't need 3 million units sold. You don't even need to have 10,000 units sold in 30 days. All you need is to sell a product at least 1,000 times in a month. And now you don't need to use Amazon. That's where Shopify comes into play. You can build your storefront on Shopify and integrate it with a merchant account, and boom, you can start getting paid. Now imagine this: if you sell a product that has at least $100 profit margins, and I highly suggest this to members of my Ecom Accelerator, where I'm documenting how we're building ThePhnyxwatches to the $100 million mark, and how they can also build successful e-commerce brands. It's a community that I'm sharing all those insights with them. In the community, I tell them this: if you can sell a product for at least $100 profit margins, and you can sell 1,000 units in a month, you're good. You make $100,000 that you can take to the bank. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. So this is very, very important that you understand. Even Gary Albert, one of the OGs of direct response marketing, says, find a starving crowd, find a product that fulfills the hunger that they have, and you will never lack money for the rest of your life. So you need to do this. It is very, very important. Unless you see that people are already spending money on a product, do not bother trying to sell it. Another way you can validate if a product is in demand is by going on Google Trends. Put in trends.google.com and check out the product. You can see worldwide. You can even narrow it down to the country you want to sell the products in. And unless it has at least 55 average searches every day, do not sell that product. That is responsible for me making 95 million in 5 years with one brand, which leads to the next point. You need to have a clear vision people can buy into. Gone are the days where you can just take a product from Alibaba or AliExpress and slap a logo on it and say you're selling a product. No, these days people have to buy into the vision that you have, and they have to buy into the mission that you have for your brand to be successful. The only reason someone will come buy something from you that they can order on Amazon, or that they can order themselves on Alibaba, or that they can find a manufacturer for, is the mission and vision of your brand. Nike doesn't sell athleisure wear. Nike doesn't sell track pants. They don't sell track suits. They sell the desire for ambition. That's why they tell you, just do it. When we sell our watches at ThePhnyxwatches, we don't sell watches. We don't sell luxury watches. We sell the reason to dare to be more, because we tell the story of how a man has been through the darkest things in life and has still come out on top. It is for people who dare to be and choose to go at their dreams. So for you to be successful, you need to have a vision. You need to have a mission that people can rally behind. There is no brand in this world that is successful without having a clear-cut mission and vision. And the main reason you need to have a mission and vision is not just because of yourself, but because of 2 things: the customers who will buy the products that you're selling, and then the people who will work for you who is selling the product. Because yes, maybe by luck you can make $100,000. It's a fluke. But Can you repeat that over and again to get to $1 million, to get to $2 million, to get to $3 million? Now, $3 million is often the bottleneck most people experience in their business. They get to $3 million a year and they don't know how to get to the next level. But if you have a cool company culture, a clear-cut vision, and a clear-cut mission, it makes it easy for you to have repeat purchases, which is very, very important if your company valuation is going to be high or when you decide to sell. It is also going to help you increase how much customers get to spend with you over time. And it is also going to help you avoid employees leaving your company, because when they are sold into the vision and the mission, they want to stand with you and by you. So this is very, very important when you're building a brand. And the third key element that is very important that you must know for you to build a successful e-commerce brand, and if you don't, you will not be successful, even if you get all these previous two things right. And I'll ask you a question. Everything you've been told since you were a kid, how many of them do you remember? But do you remember the parables that you've been told in the Bible? Do you remember the things that are in your culture that you've been taught? Why do you remember that? Because you were told via a story. Stories sell every single time. Do you know why Kylie Cosmetics is very, very successful? Because she sold with the story of how she felt insecure about that lip.
When I was younger, I had an insecurity with my lips.
And so many people bought into that. And that's why it is successful. Fenty is very, very successful today because Rihanna says she's creating a brand that is challenging the traditional ways of the beauty industry. She wanted to create something inclusive, which boils down to the vision and the mission and then a story. Figure out the product you want to create, figure out the brand you want to build, figure out the vision that you have, figure out the mission that you have, and then tell a story that ties everything together. And when you do that, oh my days, you can build a unicorn. If you're going to challenge the norms about doing something, you should have a story as to why you're challenging the norms. If you're going to break the rules of an industry, you should have a story as to why you're breaking the rules of that industry. Build a brand, have a mission, have a vision, have the right people surrounding you, which are the A players. A players don't work for businesses that don't have mission, and you will not get anywhere if you don't find the right A players in your business. So all of this ties back to themselves. When I was building Bell Wasted, which was one of the brands that I sold for $128 million, the story that we tied to it is we want to sell the confidence to women who are just giving birth to their kids but don't like how they look. And when we did that, it became wildfire successful. And this is just a part of the series that I'm going to be sharing with you on how to build successful e-commerce brands. But if you want to get more behind the scenes insights into how to build a successful brand, and you want to learn how we are building ThePhnyxwatches to the $100 million mark, and matter of fact, I even shared with members of the community how within 2 years we've gained 329,000 subscribers on the wait list for our watches. Our watches go for $4,500 to $8,500. So do the maths. Now, if we spent money to acquire those leads, we would have spent at least $16.9 million just to acquire the leads on our wait list who are looking to buy our watches. So we are sold out for the next 10 years. But that wouldn't happen without all these three key factors. So if you want to learn from me and understand how to build successful brands, then definitely check the pinned comment on this video and go book a call with my team and check out more information on the page that opens when you click on the link. Also, make sure you watch this video on how I've been able to build wealth in my 20s from $42 a month to $250 million. And then check out this playlist on how to get rich while young. Now, this is going to be an ongoing series where I break down how to build successful e-commerce brands. So if you find value in that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.